I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside Settings because this is the only built-in route to change vibration. Unlock the iPhone and go directly to Settings, then tap Sounds and Haptics. Once there, select Ringtone and then Vibration. This opens the vibration menu where built-in patterns live. Make sure you're not in Do Not Disturb so haptics are active. From here, you're ready to create or assign a custom vibration. Follow the next steps to record and save a new pattern you'll actually feel. You'll record the exact pattern you want. Tap Create New Vibration, then use your finger to tap the screen in the rhythm you prefer. Short taps create quick blips, longer presses create sustained haptics. Once recorded, press Stop and tap Play to feel the result. Repeat Record or Clear to refine timing. Make sure the phone is on a solid surface or in hand so you perceive strength correctly. When it matches your goal, name and save it to use immediately. Now assign the vibration. From the vibration list, select your new pattern for ringtone or text tone, or open a contact, tap Edit, choose ringtone or text tone, and pick your custom vibration. This links the pattern to calls or messages. If you don't feel anything, make sure System Haptics are enabled in Settings Right Arrow Sounds and Haptics. Check the silent switch isn't muting haptics, and restart the phone if needed. One quick restart usually resolves most non-responsive vibration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.